What's good, YouTube? Is favbucktrades, and then back again with another video for you guys. So welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the whole shenanigans going on. This is the new style as a doctor that I am, Forex psychology doctor. Back again. So whenever you guys see me putting on this, the white shirt, the tie, and trying to look all professional, just know that it's Forex psychology time. It's time for us to go to the clinic. Alright, so now listen, yeah, from the title of the video and from the thumbnail, I think you guys already know what I'm here to talk about. Now, this has been a very crazy argument in the Forex space currently. It's Forex gambling. Some people say there's no difference between Forex and sporty bets and blah blah blah. So today I'm here to clear the air, and we're going to face this head on as intellects that we are, as people who are educated and people who know what they're doing. Now, we know that the dictionary is always there for us. Wikipedia is there, Google is there. So we're going to use all those things to our favor. As Forex traders that we are, you guys know that all we do is based on analysis, data, and what strategy. So now, Google and Wikipedia have been fed with a lot of data. So anything coming out of that place has credibility. So go straight to Google and Wikipedia and check what gambling is. You already know what Forex is. Then we'll relate it to Forex and see if Forex is really gambling or not. This is gonna blow your mind. But don't worry, I'll break it down. Stay with me. So if you see me looking down, I'm looking at the computer screen because my camera is up and the computer screen is down. So bear with me, but I'll try as much as possible to look at you guys. So let's go. What is gamble? According to dictionary, Google says gamble, 1, play a game of chance for money, that is bet. For money. Now, there are some keywords I want you guys to note. 2, take risky action in the hope of a desired result. That is the 2 definitions that Google gave us. Let's go over to what Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, this one is lengthy. Gambling, also known as betting or gaming, is the wagering of something of value. The stake, wagering means stake, like to stake something. Staking of something of value on a random event. Random event with the intent of winning something else of value. Where instances of strategy are discounted. Gambling toss requires 3 elements to be present. Now listen to this. Gambling toss requires 3 elements to be present. 1, an amount being wagered. 2, risk, that is chance, and a prize. The outcome of this wager is often immediate. It's often what? Immediate. Such as a single roll of dice, a spin of roulette wheel, or a horse crossing the finish line. But longer time frames are also common, allowing wager on the outcome of a future sports contest or even an entire sports season. Now, this is what Wikipedia call gambling. And if you look at the Forex market, there are a lot of similarities between the Forex market and what gambling. So is Forex really gambling? There's no way to find out. So let's do the relationship. Now, if you notice, according to Google, let's go back. It says playing game of chance for money. Now, Forex is a game, but not a game that you know. So we're gonna leave that. We're gonna skip that first one. We're gonna go to the second one. But you know, actually, Forex is not really a game, but it is something we do for our money, right? The second one says take risky action in the hope of a desired result. Now, in Forex, we take crazy risk, but there are calculated risks at the same time. But I say we are facing this head on. Just stay with me, I'm going somewhere. We take risk in Forex, right? So let's go to Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, it said for something to be called gambling, there are 3 things that has to be involved. Now, 1, an amount being wagered. 2, risk, that is chance. And 3, a prize. Crazy. In Forex, where risk is a certain amount to get a certain amount. So you already know where I'm going to. Forex is gambling. Now, there's a twist. The twist is, if you call Forex gambling because of these 3 things that are supposed to be in something for it to be called gambling, which is the amount being wagered, risk, and what's a prize, that means life itself is a gamble. Physical businesses too are gamble. Everything we do in life is a gamble, if you want to look at it that way. Because if you're starting up a business, you are putting a certain investment into that business, which is what? A risk. Because you're not sure. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. It's all a risk. And you are looking to make profits from that business. That is the prize. So if you're going to call Forex gambling, that means the businesses we all do, be it clothing business, be it shoe business, it's also gambling. I know you might try to counter this by saying that one is different, it is physical, there are ways to control the things. Same thing with Forex too. There are ways to control the losses. There are things you have in your control, such as what? Learning, going through proper education, risk management, that is knowing the amounts you want to risk and knowing what your appetite, what you can take. And if you understand. And thirdly, there are past data, and Forex is even better because it gives you an edge to have access to past data of activities that have already happened in the market. Then you can work based on that data to predict what is going to happen next. So you have access to past data, which is your chart. Using that chart, you can take decisions in the market. So if you look at it from this perspective of something like you wager something, then there's risk, then there's price. That means everything we do in life, it's all gambling. Life itself is a gamble. But relating Forex to the edge that we have, then you see that in Forex actually has an edge compared to all these things. So with this few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you that Forex is gambling. But at the same time, if you will consider it gambling, that means other things we do is also what gambling. Life itself is gambling. The clothing business is gambling. The shoe business is gambling. If you don't consider all these other things gambling, that means Forex is not gambling. So do well to keep studying, do well to keep doing your due diligence, do well to continue back testing out that strategy, do well to continue trading a demo account, do well to continue being disciplined, and you'll be successful in the Forex industry. And I promise you, if you follow my advice here on the channel, bro, you're gonna do well. Yes, it's a process. I might not be that big of a trader right now, I might not be that rich, but at the same time, I have the knowledge, but it's all in here. And I'm making a new video That video is about the kind of power forex traders hold. I said it in my subsequent video, but I didn't elaborate much into it. So watch out for my next video. The power forex trader will, like the kind of power they have, and you guys don't know. And it's because a lot of traders right now in the industry are young guys, young girls who are just the Gen Z generation trying to make fast money. Yes, everybody wants that fast money, but at the same time, forex trader holds crazy amount of power. And if you're a trader out there and you know how to trade, you know how to analyze the market and make predictions, and those things you predict happens 50 times out of 100 times, you have crazy amount of power that you don't know. 50 times. I didn't say 60, I didn't say 70, I didn't say 80. On a scale of 100%, you predict something and it happens just 50 times. Or let's say 40, 30. That means you have 30% win rate, you have 40% win rate, you have 50% win rate. You don't know the kind of power you will. I'm making a new video about that. Stay tuned to the channel and watch out for that video. And Forex is not gambling if you don't consider other businesses gambling. But Forex is gambling if you consider life itself and other businesses as what? Gambling. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. This is Psychology Doctor over.